Let's take a look at the last two parts of Technology Project 1. You have Part 4 and Part 5. Part 4, once you've completed 1, 2, and 3, you have your graphs and your information available, right? The distribution. You're going to go ahead and write conclusions. And again, I remember on your report or how you're going to turn this in, you have, maybe you want 1 page per part, or just make sure it's all labeled correctly so I know what you're answering, right? What conclusions can you make regarding the graphs, distribution and graphs from part 3? And remember, this has to do with what the variable is. Each of you may have a different variable, not just describing what it is, but what does it mean? What conclusions regarding, right? Keep in mind what the variable is, right? And then discuss. So I want some context there. What does it mean, right? The next question is, and then this is up for anyone. There's really an opinion. This is opinion, right? Just want to make sure you're thinking about it. Is how might this information be useful in making decisions regarding your themes, earning styles, career interests, right? Or anything related that comes up to your mind related to this data. What really is how does this make you think and think about even your future, right? And then the last thing, is there anything else? What interesting things or patterns did you notice from the data that is maybe worth exploring further? What other questions do you have, right? This is you challenging yourself to think about this real world data. Remember, statistics is the study of us. So how would we do that? And then the last piece is the getting the feedback. Before you turn this in, you want to share it with somebody, your work, these first 4 parts, so you can get some feedback and then make revisions. So what you need to do is share with someone and then identify who you gave identify who gave you feedback and let me know what you learned from it and what changes you made as a result. And that is the last part, part 5.